Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Shortcuts. You need the app and the target app installed. Start a new shortcut and add the Open App action so the shortcut launches that specific app. Select the app from the list. This binds the shortcut to the app's launch behavior. Once done, tap the three dots in the upper right to access details. Make sure to name the shortcut clearly, then tap Add to Home Screen. That opens the interface where you change the cover image. Now you're in the Add to Home Screen preview. Tap the small icon thumbnail to replace the cover. You can pick Choose Photo to use an existing image, take photo to snap one now, or choose File for documents and higher resolution art. Once you pick an image, iOS shows a crop tool. Adjust the framing so the icon is centered and legible. Make sure the subject is visible at small size. Simple, high-contrast images work best, then tap Choose to apply it. Finish by tapping Add. The shortcut now appears on your home screen with the new cover. Test it immediately so you confirm it launches the intended app. If it opens the wrong app, return to Shortcuts and correct the Open App action. If the icon doesn't display the new image, restart the device to refresh home screen cache. This resolves most visual glitches. Finally, remember you've created a shortcut wrapper, not a replacement app. It launches the app through Shortcuts, which explains some behavior differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.